Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take Myo Inositol. Myo Inositol is a natural compound, a type of sugar alcohol, found in many foods like fruits, beans, and nuts. It's vital for cell communication and helps your body respond better to insulin. Many people choose to take it as a supplement to support their overall well-being. We'll cover the best ways to incorporate it into your daily routine, ensuring you get the most out of this beneficial compound. Let's dive into the specifics of dosage and timing. When considering Myo Inositol, typical daily dosages often fall between 2 and 4 grams. Many find it effective to split this amount into 2 separate doses throughout the day. You can find Myo Inositol in various forms, including convenient capsules and versatile powders. The powder form can be easily mixed into water or juice, offering flexibility. Some supplements also combine Myo Inositol with inositol, often in a specific 40:1 ratio, which is believed to enhance its effects for certain applications. For optimal results, consistency is key when taking Myo Inositol. Make it a part of your daily routine, taking it at roughly the same times each day. You have the flexibility to take it with or without food, so choose what feels best for your body. If you're using the powder form, simply mix your dose into a glass of water or juice. This ensures it's well dissolved and readily absorbed, helping you maintain steady levels throughout the day. Myo Inositol offers several potential benefits, including supporting healthy hormone balance and reproductive function. Many also find it helpful for improving insulin sensitivity and contributing to better mood regulation. While generally well tolerated, it's always wise to speak with a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement regimen. They can provide personalized advice, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications, ensuring it's the right choice for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.